welcome to Arnav. Today is the 27th episode in the science series. So today it is chemistry. So today we are going to discuss about the one and only periodic table of elements. So the Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev produced his first table of elements in the year of 1869. So this person known as Dmitry Mendeleev produced this periodic table in 1869. Long before he produced this table, many scientists tried to put all of the atoms in order. So they failed. So at that time when Dmitry Mendeleev made this table, there were only 63 elements. But now it is more than double that. Almost double that. It is 118 now. Yes. So he was the father of the modern periodic table. Yes. So he also left spaces for other elements which he thought would be discovered. Yes. So his table was periodic or repeating because the characteristics of elements followed a specific pattern. Yes. So next is reading the table. So how to read the table? Reading. Okay. So the periodic table is made up of a series of groups which are columns that run from top to bottom and periods which are rows that run from left to right. Yes. So these are the two main elements of the periodic table, the groups and the periods. Yes. So today we are going to discuss about only the groups. So we are going to discuss about the periods in the next chemistry series episode. Yes. So groups, elements in the same groups have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. So as you move down a group, the atoms of the elements get larger and heavier because a new shell would be added. Yes. So this is because there are an increasing number of protons in the nucleus and more electrons arranged in shells surrounding the nucleus. So here's an example. So first, hydrogen, it has just one shell. Yes, so an atom of hydrogen has one electron in total with only one in one shell. Yes, next two shells, which is lithium. So these three examples in this video are in the same group here. So this is in the first group of the periodic table. So this includes hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So they are the atoms in the first group. So a vertical column of chemically similar elements is known as a group. So this is very simple to understand. So while lithium atom has 3 electrons in total with one in its outer shell. So it has 2 shells. So in the innermost shell there is just 2 atoms, which is the maximum of the innermost shell. 2 electrons, while the outer shell has just 1 electron. Yes. So you may have seen a similarity here. In the outermost shell there are just 1 electron. Yes. So next, 3 shells. So this is sodium. So a sodium atom has 11 electrons in total with 1 in its outermost shell. Yes. So sodium has 3 shells. Yes, so 1, 2, 3. So the first one has just 2 electrons, which is the maximum. Next, the second shell has again 8 electrons, which is again the maximum of the shell. And finally, the last shell has again just 1 electron. So this is the similarity in the groups. So with this, in groups, these elements have just the same reactivity with other elements. So the percentage of hydrogen's reactivity is the same as like potassium's reactivity with other elements. So yes, so as they have just 1 electron in its outermost shell. Yes, so groups are very simple to understand as well as periods of the periodic table. Yes, so yeah. So there will be another episode in the next chemistry episode, that means 2 weeks later. So that will be about the periods. So bye.